Welcome back to the California Landlords Union. Few things create more stress for landlords than receiving a notice from a city inspector or the Los Angeles Housing Department. But most code enforcement issues can be resolved successfully if addressed promptly and correctly. Today we are covering LAHD inspections, city code enforcement, compliance deadlines, permits, and how to avoid costly fines. Code enforcement agencies exist to ensure rental housing remains safe and habitable. A notice does not automatically mean you are in trouble. What matters is how quickly and professionally you respond. Ignoring notices or delaying corrective action usually makes the problem worse. Common agencies include LAHD, Building and Safety, the Health Department, the Fire Department, and local code enforcement divisions. Common violations include missing smoke detectors, missing carbon monoxide detectors, peeling paint, water damage, mold concerns, plumbing leaks, broken windows, damaged flooring, inoperable heaters, electrical hazards, pest infestations, and exterior maintenance issues. Many of these problems begin as small maintenance concerns. When ignored, they can become official violations. A proactive maintenance program is often the best defense. If an inspector visits, remain professional and cooperative, take notes, request copies of reports or notices, and document everything. After the inspection, create a file with inspection reports, photographs, notices, contractor estimates, repair invoices, permits, and completion records. Compliance deadlines are critical. Missing a deadline may lead to reinspection fees, administrative penalties, additional citations, escalated enforcement, or legal proceedings. If repairs cannot be completed in time, communicate with the agency and keep documentation showing good faith efforts to comply. The easiest way to avoid fines is preventative maintenance. Schedule periodic inspections and look for leaks, damaged flooring, broken fixtures, smoke detector issues, exterior hazards, plumbing problems, and electrical concerns. Some corrections may require permits, including electrical work, plumbing modifications, structural repairs, window replacements, or major remodeling. Always verify permit requirements with the local jurisdiction before beginning work. The key to code enforcement and compliance is simple: respond quickly, document everything, meet deadlines, and maintain the property proactively. As a California Landlords Union member, you gain access to landlord education, compliance resources, training, vendor recommendations, and practical tools. If you are dealing with tenant-created violations, access issues, enforcement actions, notices, inspections, or legal complications, landlord advocates can assist with compliance strategies, documentation, attorney referrals, court coordination, and eviction-related services. And if repairs are needed to satisfy LAHD, Building and Safety, or other agencies, Incan Builders can provide inspection corrections, permit assistance, habitability repairs, remodeling, restoration, and emergency services. Thank you for watching, and we will see you at the next California Landlords Union training